everyone, I'm Sarah. Let's get started.
Hi everyone, welcome back to Miss English Tip. I'm Sarah. Today is day 1 of our 5-day shadowing challenge. This lesson is for intermediate learners, so we will focus on speaking clearly and sounding natural and confident. In this lesson, you will listen to me and repeat after me. Try to copy my pronunciation, rhythm, and tone. Don't worry about mistakes. Just listen and speak. If it feels a little fast, that's okay. That means you are improving. All right, let's begin. I am ready to improve my English. Repeat. I am ready to improve my English. Again, I am ready to improve my English. One more time. I am ready to improve my English. Good, keep going. I speak even if I feel nervous. Repeat. I speak even if I feel nervous. Again, I speak even if I feel nervous. One more time. I speak even if I feel nervous. Excellent. I am not afraid of making mistakes. Repeat. I am not afraid of making mistakes. Again. I am not afraid of making mistakes. One more time. I am not afraid of making mistakes. Very good. Stay relaxed. I am building confidence every day. Repeat. I am building confidence every day. Again. I am building confidence every day. One more time. I am building confidence every day. Great work. Let's continue. I try to speak clearly and naturally. Repeat. I try to speak clearly and naturally. Again. I try to speak clearly and naturally. One more time. I try to speak clearly and naturally. Nice. Keep your rhythm steady. I listen carefully and repeat immediately. Repeat. I listen carefully and repeat immediately. Again, I listen carefully and repeat immediately. One more time. I listen carefully and repeat immediately. Good job. I am improving step by step. Repeat. I am improving step by step. Again. I am improving step by step. One more time. I am improving step by step. Excellent. I don't need to be perfect. I just need to practice. Repeat. I don't need to be perfect. I just need to practice. Again. I don't need to be perfect. I just need to practice. One more time. I don't need to be perfect. I just need to practice. Very nice. I feel more comfortable speaking English now. Repeat. I feel more comfortable speaking English now. Again. I feel more comfortable speaking English now. One more time. I feel more comfortable speaking English now. Good. Keep going. I speak slowly, but I speak clearly. Repeat. I speak slowly, but I speak clearly. Again. I speak slowly, but I speak clearly. One more time. I speak slowly, but I speak clearly. Nice rhythm. I am getting better with every sentence. Repeat. I am getting better with every sentence. Again. I am getting better with every sentence. One more time. I am getting better with every sentence. Excellent. I enjoy learning English every day. Repeat. I enjoy learning English every day. Again. I enjoy learning English every day. One more time. I enjoy learning English every day. Great. Now let's make it a little longer. Stay with me. I try to use English in my daily life as much as possible. Repeat. I try to use English in my daily life as much as possible. Again. I try to use English in my daily life as much as possible. One more time. I try to use English in my daily life as much as possible. Very good. Even if I make mistakes, I continue speaking. Repeat. Even if I make mistakes, I continue speaking. Again. Even if I make mistakes, I continue speaking. One more time. Even if I make mistakes, I continue speaking. Nice. I focus on communication, not perfection. Repeat. I focus on communication, not perfection. Again. I focus on communication, not perfection. One more time. I focus on communication, not perfection. Excellent. I am becoming more fluent and confident every day. Repeat. I am becoming more fluent and confident every day. Again. I am becoming more fluent and confident every day. One more time. I am becoming more fluent and confident every day. Great work. Take a breath. Relax your voice. Now let's go a little faster. Stay with me. I am ready to improve my English. I speak even if I feel nervous. I am not afraid of making mistakes. I am building confidence every day. I try to speak clearly and naturally. I listen carefully and repeat immediately. I am improving step by step. I don't need to be perfect, I just need to practice. I feel more comfortable speaking English now. I speak slowly, but I speak clearly. I am getting better with every sentence. I enjoy learning English every day. I try to use English in my daily life as much as possible. Even if I make mistakes, I continue speaking. I focus on communication, not perfection. I am becoming more fluent and confident every day. Excellent. That was strong. One more time, with confidence. I am ready. I am improving and I am confident. I am consistent. Very good. You are doing amazing. Keep going. No pressure, just practice. Now here is your English tip for today. In natural English, we often connect words together. Instead of saying each word separately, we link them to sound smoother. For example, want to becomes wanna. Going to becomes gonna. Listen, I want to improve, right arrow, I wanna improve. I am going to try, right arrow, I'm gonna try. Now you try. I wanna improve, and I'm gonna try, good. This will help you sound more natural. Now, your word of the day. Word, confidence. Definition: the feeling of being sure about your abilities or yourself. Example: confidence helps you speak English without fear. Repeat: confidence helps you speak English without fear. Excellent! You did a great job today. Keep practicing, stay consistent,